Welcome to Hannah and Ellie Happy World! Hi kids! Today I'm going to make my own bracelet. Let's open. How do I open it? I'm gonna see the instruction. A string, hammer, this, a brush and maybe a shaver.
No, it's a lock.
Oh, alright. Now we need this. Never mind. It's just something that lock. Alright, let's open this miss. The tools are for me to break it because they're like something small inside. Glass. Sorry. I have to protect my eyes from cotton. That's a small color. A small color. Now we found two colors. More. Let's do more. And some of this.
Yeah, we're gonna wash it off. See you!
See you tomorrow. Today I'm going to make this
Bracelet.
shell bracelet. See, I already done some. Now time for the glue. Can you see my pattern?
These are the shells that we dig up from the clay.
Last week.
Yeah.
Hi. Alicia.
Hi.
Wow, how do I do this?
Anna is so focused in
Me.
trading. Yeah, you see? So nice. She's putting one shell in. One bead. One shell, one bead. One shell, one bead.
Yeah.
Can you show us? Oh, that's so pretty. Wow, it's getting longer and longer.
Dum. Maybe to the other side.
Yeah, some of the beads are stuck with the clay inside.
Watch.
You see?
It's
so long
you
now.
can watch.
So
Watch it
beautiful.
long. Bracelet is done. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye. Subscribe for my Lego video. Bye-bye. See bye-bye and call heaven. Bye-bye.